everyone, this is me here. I'm going to Ikea to pick one or two. There is this flower vase I saw. I want to go pick them for my bedroom window. I just want to keep it there. I pray I see it. I don't just want to waste time. So on my way to Ikea, let's go there. When I was coming here, I have two things in mind. I plan to buy flower vase, but my challenge is, where did I see that? What I want is in my eyes. At the moment, I can't really find them here. Then another challenge is, I have two things in mind. I can't remember the other one. I have two things in mind that brought me here. The flower vase and one other thing. I can't remember that, and I didn't put it and I didn't write it. What am I gonna do? Should I start going home? Like, and I don't want to waste much time here. What should I do now? If you're in my shoe, what would you do? Would you start going home or you would wait? I don't know. Okay. God, I pray to remember the next thing I wanted to buy. I planned for two things. Domino, wait. Okay, yeah, I remember. I don't remember. Thank God. Okay, let's go. Something that brought me here, seriously. I saw it last week or the last 2 weeks, but now I can't see it anymore. I saw something that looks like that. I saw something that looks like it downstairs, but oh my God. I don't know. Well, let me just look around. I thought this is what I can just pick up. If I have something to do at home, I need to make lunch for my kids, go pick them up from school. Okay, no problem. So finally, I'm back, guys. I got to clear my throat. Actually, I did not buy anything going to Ikea. I did not buy anything. I came back like that. Let me say that I wasted my time. Teaspoon. Let me turn my chocolate. I wasted my time. The thing is, there is something I saw. This is flower vase, and it's three. I thought maybe it was the Ikea that I saw. I decided to go pick it up today and pick some other things. There is one other thing I wanted to go pick there. Getting there, it wasn't there, but I saw the exact thing that took me to the Ikea. But that one is big in another color altogether. The color that I'm not even going to use in my life, you get? So I might in the future, sure. So that's not what I want. But as I came back, I remember the shop, either Ikea and either Kick or one other shop I saw in West Van Hall. Maybe one of these days I will just go and get it. All the same, I'm back and I want to make moi for lunch. This is one, and I have from now till 3 o'clock to finish whatever I'm doing to go pick my kids. It's okay. My is here, like not my beans and the ingredients I'm using. I just want to tell you guys that I went to Ikea for my appointment and I did not get what I want, so I'm here to make lunch. Thank you guys. Please, if you watch this one, please subscribe now. Just subscribe to the glory of God.